Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Practicing English speaking is an essential part of our daily routine. We should start following this rigorously. We should take some time out to practice English speaking every single day. And that has to be a part of our routine. Why? Just because if you want to be fluent and confident in speaking in English, you need to speak up. Right? You need to listen to stuff, you need to practice writing or taking down ideas, but ultimately you have to start practicing in English also. You start making sentences in English. You should start describing things, your feelings, your expressions, your experiences, conversations. Everything you should start describing it in English every single day just for 10-15 minutes. This will help you to gain confidence and fluency in speaking in English and of course familiarity with the language as well. Okay, so just to help you with your practice sessions, I'm going to take up another simple conversation which I had with my friend sometimes back. And I'm going to speak about how we had that conversation or how we spoke on that topic, or how we spoke about it. So sometimes back when I went to pick up my daughter, one of our friends' mom was also there and it was her last day of school. And we were all discussing about what are your summer plans or what are your vacation plans. So I'm going to answer this question, how I answered it then, what she said about her summer plans. So this is a conversation question which happened with me on the last day of my kids' school. So in this way, this is a very basic general conversational topic which people speak about. So if you start working on such topics, such conversation questions or such conversation ideas, it will be very easy for you to start speaking in English with anyone, anywhere, anytime, on any topic. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, guys. You're missing out on a lot of things. Like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Right? It's not difficult at all, guys. You can click subscribe and like my video. Now let's get started with today's very interesting topic. So as I told you, on the last day of my kids' school, I met her friend's mom and we just had a discussion there. And the question which she asked me was, so what are your summer plans or what are your vacation plans? Do you have any holiday plan? So this is a very simple question which she asked me. Okay. Now, in the same way, we all have plans, right? Whether it is a summer vacation plan or winter vacation plan or Diwali plan or Holi plan or a Christmas plan or a Eid plan or anything else, any birthday, party plans or any wedding plans. There are lots of things we celebrate, we plan, right? And we attend. So that is why planning is very core for all these things. So these are very usual events which we all attend, right? We go out for a party, we go out for weddings, we celebrate festivals, we plan vacations, we go out for outings or long drives, anything. So this is a very genuine question. So today in this video, we are going to discuss how we can answer this question easily, effortlessly, and confidently. Okay, so listening to this question, the first thing which came to my mind was whether I have any plans or not. And trust me on this, at that time, I was very clueless. So my reply started with, I said, not yet. We haven't planned anything yet. I have a lot of work to do. I've taken up a lot of things and I'm quite busy with my work. So I haven't given a thought whether I'm going out for a vacation or not. So right now, I don't have any plans. But yes, it's a long vacation and it's summers also. We all need a break, right? It's very hot. So we need to cool down mentally and physically as well. And of course, we want our kids also to enjoy their vacation. So probably next month I'll think about something. So my first priority will be my work. I'm going to finish all my work and then prioritize things accordingly so that I get some time, at least for a week of 4 to 5 days, so that I can go on a vacation somewhere nearby as well, so that, we all get refreshed. So this is what I've thought right now. Rest, let's see what happens. I also added, since I have a lot of memories of my summer vacations, every summer vacation was very special for me. So I'm thinking of making every summer vacation special for my kid too. We really had a blast during summer vacation. We waited for summer vacations to come so that we can enjoy the whole time. And I want my kid also to enjoy her summer vacation. So definitely I'm going to plan something or the other to make it special for her. So this is what I replied about what are my plans for summer vacation. Okay, then how will the conversation grow if I only answer that question? So what I did, in return, I asked the same question to her. And what's yours? Which means, and what is your plan? So you can say, what is your plan? And what's yours? Anything you can say, right? Or you can say, so what are you planning? So what are your plans for the vacation? Okay, so there are 3 ways you can ask this question to the other person as well. Now, to this, she replied to me saying, well, I have my plans ready. After 2-3 days, I'm going to my hometown. I'm going to take my daughter there so that she can meet her grandparents and bond with them. Right? Nowadays, life is so busy. We all live in individual families. We get to talk to our parents over phone. But our kids are not very into it. They don't want to talk over phones. So I thought that vacations are times where they can go and actually, be present with their grandparents and they can have a bond with them. And since we all live in individual families, we don't get time to go and visit our grandparents very often, and they also don't get time to visit us very often. Like once in a year, we also go, they also come, but that's not sufficient, right? So that is why, this time we made sure that we are going to go to our hometown and we are going to spend some time there so that she can bond with her grandparents and cousins there. Okay, which was a great idea. I really liked that idea. And then she said, this is what my plans are. Of course, I can't stay for a long time. So it's like 10 days maximum I can stay there and I have to come back because of work. We can't take a long break, a long holiday, and work from home is also very difficult when we go to our hometowns. So that is why I have to come back after a week or 10 days. So it will be a short vacation, but we are planning to go to our hometown. So this is what she replied to me when I asked this question of what are your plans for vacation. Okay, so this is how we generally respond to any question. The first thing is yes or no, whether we have any plans or not. I didn't had any plans. Trust me on this, I was quite blank about it because I had a lot of work and I couldn't think beyond that, right? So that is why I didn't had any plans, and this was a very unexpected question which came to me at that time. So I clearly said, not yet. I don't have any plans right now. Okay. But then I tried to convey this idea that, it's a long vacation. There's a lot of time. So probably next month, when I'll be able to manage my work and prioritize my work, it will be easier for me to plan something. Just to take a break from work and summers and to make it special for my kid, I will probably plan to go out somewhere, maybe nearby as well, to just relax and chill and enjoy with my family. So this is what I said. So you can start with yes or no, and you can just talk about what you have thought or what are you thinking about in near future. If you are planning for a vacation or not, or why you are planning or why you are not planning. So you have to give reasons as well. As I said, why I don't have any plans right now, because I had too much of work and I was very busy at the time, so I couldn't think about anything. But maybe next month I might prioritize my work and work will be little easy for me. Then I'll plan. And why I'll plan? That also I said that I have a lot of good memories of my childhood, of summer vacations. So I want my kid also to have good memories of a summer vacation. So that is why I want to make it special for her. That is why I will definitely plan something or the other for summers. Okay, so this is what I replied. What she replied was she had plans, she had come up with plans, and the reason what she gave was she was going to her hometown, and the reason was so beautiful. She was very right that we live in individual families, we live in big cities, and we are not very connected with our hometowns. One, it's very far away and it takes a lot of time, and we don't have time, we don't get a long leave from our offices as well or work as well. So it gets very difficult to plan it. So that is why it's very far. And the other thing is, don't get leaves, and the work, we are also busy with our work. So that is the reason we are not able to spend time with at our hometowns. So that is why, just for her kids to have a bond with their grandparents, they thought of going to their hometown. Maybe for a week or 10 days, not more than that, because of certain reasons, which was absolutely fine. So I just liked this idea, and she was very clear about it, why she planned it to her hometown and what she mean by it. Okay, so this is how you also can start talking about your summer vacation plans or any memories you have about summer vacations, childhood, or anywhere, anytime, during college, school, or offices. We don't get summer vacations, of course, but you can talk about summers then. What do you do? What do you do during summers? What special do you do during summers? Or why? Or simply you can talk about you like summers or not. Right? So this is how you can talk about this on this topic. Or any vacation plan or any plans which you have. If you are invited for any party or wedding or any ceremony, what are your plans? You can just speak about it. Okay, how you are planning, what have you thought about, right? What do you want to wear, how do you want to go, how much time you're going to spend there, what are you going to do there? Okay, what are your plans for the wedding, what gift are you going to give, etc, etc. Right? There are lots of things you can talk about in this, right? So in the same way, if suppose I have come up with a plan, I had a plan to go to Kerala, for example. So I would have talked about it in a different way. I would have said, well, I have planned for Kerala. We are going to Kerala after a week and we'll stay there for another 3 to 4 days. And since Kerala is a beautiful place, there are lots of things to explore. So we will definitely try to explore as many things as possible during our stay. But of course, the tea plantations, the beaches, the houseboats, its cuisine, shopping, etc. So there are lots in our list. Let's see what all we can do there, right? So this is how I would have spoken about if I had any plans for visiting a place. And of course, I can add a lot of things there as well. Okay, so this is how you can talk about your vacation plans or whatever plans you have. Okay, you want to go there and you want to meet your friends. If you're going for a party or a wedding or a reception or, celebrating a festival. So we all plan for that, right? So what we all plan, how do we execute it? What do we actually do during festivals or during the wedding or any ceremony which we have to attend? We can talk about it in detail here. Okay, so this is how I spoke about my summer plans and my friend also spoke about her summer plans. Okay, now in this I could have added my childhood memories also. But since we're having a conversation and we didn't had much time, we was waiting at the gate for our kids to come. So we just had a small conversation. It was a short conversation. So I didn't get much time to speak about it. But if somebody comes to my place, or if we are meeting somewhere outside, so we have a lot of time. So then when we start talking, a lot of things comes up, right? I shared my childhood memory. So probably I would have shared some instances also what I used to do during my summer vacations. She also would have shared some incidences about her summer vacation, and this is how the conversation starts growing, right? And this is how we talk about on any particular topic. Okay, so you can add as many details as you can. You can talk about as many things as you can. You're free to do. So depending on your level of fluency and confidence, you can keep on adding more sentences and more detail to it. Start with few sentences. Start describing or answering the question in a few sentences. Next time, try to add more details to it. After that, add some more details to it. Okay, so you have to set a target. Like you have spoken for 1 minute. Next day, try to speak for 2 minutes on the same topic. Third day, try to speak for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. See how many minutes you can go on talking on that topic, right? So start getting into the habit of practicing English speaking in this way, guys, on simple basic conversational topics. And for a month, if you practice the same, you will see a lot of difference. I have a lot of videos in which I've spoken on basic general conversational topics. Take one video every single day of mine and listen to it twice or thrice. Understand the idea, understand the topic, and then start speaking on your own. You will see a lot of difference after 30 days for sure. And that is my guarantee. So start practicing, guys, and you will see the difference. Definitely. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.